Hi, I'm Peter, HMO and steroids. I'm delighted to be at one of my invested HMOs today. I met Martin earlier this year. Martin decided to work with HMO and steroids. It's been a great journey so far. We sourced the property for Martin, we negotiated a below market value offer on the property. We exchanged within days of exchanging. Our refurbishment team were in here to completely renovate the property to a really high standard. We like to look after our tenants. We themed all the rooms to make them all individual. Really good quality finishing, a lot of wardrobe space and storage space in general, and really nice fixtures and fittings, digital televisions, desk and chairs, mirrors, everything a tenant could expect in a high class HMO, so they can just literally move in and enjoy the living accommodation. Martin and I have known each other now for 6 months. I'm pleased to say Martin's been really satisfied with the service and the results that HMO and steroids has given him, with yields over 10%. All the rooms rented and occupied within 3 weeks of us finishing the refurbishments. Some of the rooms fetching as much as £600 per calendar month. And it's all the nice finishes that we've worked on together. We split the garden because it was big enough, so one of the rooms we made into a suite and it has its own garden. We've got £600 a calendar month for that room. All the tenants have got their own sheds, so they have more storage area, which is really important for tenants moving into rooms. And we just look after the property and make it as homely and pleasant for the tenants as possible. And in return, the tenants are fantastic. And they always look after our rooms, and they always look after our properties. So I'm Peter Vicarinas from HMO and steroids. If you're looking for good yielding investment properties with over £30,000 income a year in areas that are going to be high capital growth areas over the next 2 to 5 years, then please get in touch. We're finding nurturing and renting out some of the best investments in some of the best areas in the UK. It's what we've done for many years. We take great pleasure in doing it. So I'm Peter, HMO and steroids. I hope if you're a serious investor, I look forward to meeting you soon.